How to watch Netflix on a school Chromebook. The first things first is access or open up your school Chromebook browser, and on the search bar, just simply type in NordVPN. Now, this is going to be the VPN that we are going to use, and then you just have to click on the first result. That's going to be taking you, rerouting you to the nordvpn.com's official website. Now, for you to be able not only to watch Netflix, but any um, streaming applications that you can do is going to be available if you use NordVPN if you're using a school Chromebook. Now, all I have to do is to subscribe or purchase this specific VPN right here. So just simply click on Get Deal, and this specific amount right here is a time limit for you to be able to get the discount. Now they also have a 30 days money back guarantee. Now if it clicked on get the deal, you will be given all of these coverages that you can try to go ahead and subscribe. Now for the first one, it's going to be plus 3 extra months, or all of this coverage will be given additional 3 extra months. So once you have downloaded this specific NordVPN right here, just activate it, change the country or region, and then you should be able to access Netflix on your school Chromebook. So that's it.